Nokia 2780 Flip launches with USB Type-C connectivity, long battery life and a clamshell design. The Nokia 2780 Flip comes in two colors, both for $90. Image source, HMD Global. HMD Global has announced the Nokia 2780 Flip, a new feature phone based on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 platform. Equipped with two displays and a 1450 mAh battery, the Nokia 2780 Flip also has a micro SD card reader and an LTE modem, all for $89.99. HMD Global has released a successor to the Nokia 2720 Flip, a feature phone that debuted in 2019. 3 years on, HMD Global has introduced the Nokia 2780 Flip, a feature phone rather than a smartphone. As marketing images show, the Nokia 2780 Flip relies on Kios, a Linux distribution on which all recent Nokia feature phones rely. At the heart of the Nokia 2780 Flip is the Snapdragon 215, an upgrade from the Snapdragon 205 that powers its predecessor. According to HMD Global, the former also supports Bluetooth 4.2 and LTE connectivity, as well as up to 802.11n Wi-Fi networks. Elsewhere, the device has a 2.7-inch primary display that resolves at 320 by 240 pixels, along with a secondary panel measuring 1.7 inches across with a 160 x 128 pixel native resolution. Moreover, HMD Global installs a 5MP camera and an LED flash for improving low-light photography. Supposedly, the Nokia 2780 Flip lasts up 18 days in standby mode too, thanks to its 1450 mAh battery. As with many feature phones, the battery is removable, which is always handy. Currently, HMD Global states that the Nokia 2780 Flip should start shipping on November 17. However, pre-orders will not open until November 15, after which you will be able to order the device for $89.99 in blue or red colorways. For reference, both colors ship with 512 MB of RAM, 4 GB of expandable storage and have a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer.